Hello, welcome to Illustrator, with Bronze Graphics. Ellipse tool, shortcut is L. Hold Shift button, and make a shape. Ctrl+C for copy. Ctrl+F for paste in front. Hold Alt and Shift button, and make it smaller. Object to blend, hit on Make. Object to blend option. Go to Type tool. Remove fill. Object to expand. Window to Pathfinder. Right click to ungroup. Remove extra shape. Window to stroke. Select and go to Shape Builder tool. Shortcut is Shift+F. Hold Alt button and remove extra area. Select and go to Shape Builder tool. Shortcut is Shift+F. Ctrl+G for make a group. Drag and hold Alt button for copy. Subscribe, and press the bell icon to get upcoming video notification. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions. Follow me on social media. I upload interesting design using Photoshop, Illustrator. Love you all.